Hello friends, welcome to the first video on JSON, and in this video series I am going to explain each and everything about JSON. You are going to learn about what is JSON, what are the advantages of JSON, advanced JSON, coding challenges and everything. So what I have done, I have divided the whole course into 4 parts. The first part will contains all the basic tutorial, then we have some coding challenges, then we have question and answer, and finally we have advanced JSON. So if I go to tutorial, you can see I have again divided the tutorial, basic tutorial, into introduction, syntax, validating JSON, then working with JSON in programming languages and API integration. And if you see coding challenges, I have created 10 challenges for you to do, and then we will create separate videos for each challenges. And then we have question and answer, where you can prepare for some of the interview question and answers, like JSON LD, what's that and how to use that, what are the concepts of JavaScript, JSON web tokens, how to use JSON with no SQL database like MongoDB, something like that. And also, and after that we have some advanced topics in JSON, like how JSON schema validation is done, or how JSON data validation tools and leverage, what are them, how to use JSON in real world, like with no SQL database, and how it's being used in web development, mobile app development and big data processing, like that. So JSON full form is JavaScript Object Notation, and it is just open standard file format. So basically the extension of JSON is .json, and it is a data interchange format. So what's that mean? We need to send data from client to server, and vice versa, for example. So in that case, it is very important to send the data that can be easily read by human beings and that can easily be read by machines as well. So JSON is one of the format, and it is very easy to consume. So basically it's a human readable text, and it can be transmitted. It has a value of attribute value pair. Let's go to one more website. So here this is JSON-Rest.com, where I can create a JSON, and then I can check whether it is a valid JSON or not. So let's create one JSON. So if you want to create a JSON, just put a curly brackets and just validate, and this is a valid JSON. So this is the very basic JSON. Now if I create a name value pair, for example name, and then we have Rakesh Kumar here, my name, and then if I validate it, it works. And if I do something like that, if I use single quotes in Rakesh Kumar and see if it works or not, it will give you error. So the value should always be in double quotes. Okay, even if you see the property names are also in double quotes. So okay, back to the tutorial. And so this is how JSON basically looks like, and how it works. And then we have some differences between JavaScript and JSON. So basically JSON is inherited from JavaScript in a way, but it is not same as JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language, but JSON is a standard file format for data interchange. And if you see in JavaScript, we have the properties names without double quotes, but in JSON we need to put the properties in double quotes. Just I showed you in this URL. Yeah. So, and in the numbers, if you see, we cannot use leading 0 in JSON, but that is allowed in JavaScript. So it's all about this JSON basics in this video, and I hope the video is clear to you. Stay tuned for the next video, what is JSON.